in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for Central Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, North Central Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Central Kent County in northeastern Maryland, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Rock Hall, Oregon, 9 miles east of Gibson Island, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Centerville, Chestertown, Centerville, Rock Hall, Churchill, Millington, Suttlersville, Old Town, Langford, Chester, Overton, Starkey Corner, Morgmuck, Crumpton, Massey, Carville, Barclay, and Kingstown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey.